I'm here at Unit 57 here at 3300 Forest Creek, or Forest Creek Condominiums. Kind of give you an idea of where we are. That's the 17th hole right through there. You can actually see it from the bedroom here. Okay, let's walk in here. Okay, let me take off my shoes. Everything looks really nice in here and clean. Okay, give you a good view of this. Okay, the kitchen. Okay. Okay, carpets are in good shape. Okay. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath, one's downstairs. Guest, washer dryer connections, master. And the master looks towards the golf course. Nice space, good extra space in here. Okay, I like the size of this room. Nice and large, clean, smells good. Kind of give you an idea. Looking at. Your bathroom. Okay, let's go into the guest rooms. Now they have a Jack and Jill bathroom here. So guest room right here, there looks over the pool.